Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a fabulous quarantine day. If you're like me, I'm trying to just keep my immune system up. And one thing that I used to love and go get is my Starbucks medicine ball. So I wanted to show you guys my Starbucks medicine ball recipe that I honestly feel is a lot healthier. So yeah, let's just get into this. So the Starbucks medicine ball calls for a mint tea, a peach tea, lemonade, and hot water and honey, and a splash of mint if you want it, right? However, if you cut out the lemonade and go straight to the lemon, you get all of those great qualities of that lemon. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I use. Okay, so here I have the actual Teavana Jade citrus mint tea that Starbucks uses, and absolutely love this. This is a great flavored tea. But instead of using their peach tea, I use the ginger peach turmeric tea by Bigelow, only because turmeric is great for inflammation. So if you have a swollen throat or anything like that, this will help with that. And then instead of just throwing in lemonade, I use the lemon ginger tea that has probiotics from Bigelow as well. So with this, I'm getting both my probiotics that I need just to maintain my stomach and all of my bowels. I'm using the Bigelow peach tea with turmeric because this will help with the inflammation. And then the mint tea will definitely open me up. And instead of using lemonade, I'm using lemons. Lemons. Now, if you start your day with just hot water and lemon, you are going to have a fabulous start to your day all in general, because lemon just kind of opens you up. It is a natural cleanser, so it'll cleanse out any bacteria that may be lingering. And then of course, I'm going to be using some honey to soothe my throat as well. Now, when you are picking your honey, make sure that you're picking honey that is pure and that actually has no added ingredients. One thing that you can find, one thing that you will notice is that a lot of teas on the shelf have a lot of added sugars. So you want to make sure you're choosing a tea that is pure honey. All right, so this is the honey I'm using. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's my hot water. And all I'm gonna do is let all three of these bags steep together. And to be honest with you, because this is more of a herbal tea, I will leave this in here while I'm drinking it. So I don't really take it out. It's just great to have all of those ingredients together. Super, super love it. All right, so while that is steeping, I want my water to still be hot as I add my lemon. And sorry for my ashy hands. It's early, y'all. Add my lemon. And I use a whole lemon in there. And then after that, I'll add my honey. And I love a lot of honey, so sorry. Sorry, not sorry. All right, guys, so there you have it, my recipe of Starbucks medicine ball. I hope you enjoy it. I will leave the recipe down below, and I'll also put it on my blog at pinkproverb.com. And until next time, peace. Okay, guys, so there you have it, my version of